Keisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you are notified every single time I do an upload and you're not tardy to the party. So on a whim, I decided today to throw a tea party for Dakota and myself. If you are following me on Instagram, then you know that our time left here in Washington has come to an end. We'll probably be here a little bit longer just until we get the house sold and we're off to Salt Lake City, Utah. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go do that so you can keep up with what's going on. I hadn't posted in a while, so I thought this would also make for some fun content for you guys, for all my DIY mamas out there. I'm going to be using a variety of balloons, which I will show to you guys here in just a second. And I've already got my balloons blown up. If you hear the noise in the background, it's because we are in my bedroom. The portable AC is going. We're having another heat wave, so we're kind of hanging out in the bedroom today. I've already blown up all my balloon colors. It's looking pretty baby shower-ish, but I will show you guys the reason I picked these colors is because of this gorgeous teapot set that I found in HomeGoods. So that's what my whole setup is based off of. I also bought me and Dakota a ton of mommy and me looks for the summer, but because our plans were pretty boring, limited, we don't have any friends here, didn't have too many places to go, we didn't get to wear them as much. So we're going to use one of those cute little mommy and me looks for this tea party set. Just have us a good time. It's almost the end of the day. I planned on doing it today. I told you guys on my Instagram page, I did a poll if you guys wanted me to just vlog it or go through it on my Instagram stories, and I got all vlogs so far yes for vlogging. So I got busy today. It was super hot, so I held off on making the balloon garland until tonight. I have about 45 minutes before the sun goes down. So what we're going to do tonight is I'm actually using some balloon string, I'll show you in a second, to tie the garland up. Normally you guys know I use my 260 balloons for my professional events, or if it's something that I think needs to be a little bit more sturdier, but I don't have any more 260s and I don't feel like leaving the house again, so I will go buy some on tomorrow for my clusters. But let's go ahead and alright, so I know you guys are going to want to know the color, so I'm going to show you that first. This is the string. It's just balloon string that I'm using to tie this garland together. Real simple. I have some Party City white balloons, and then I have some Sempertex pastel matte blue. I have some Qualitex round rose, and then I have some Gmar shiny gold. So yep, that's what I'm going to be doing. As I told you guys, I already have all of the balloons blown up already. It should be more than enough. If it's not, I always have, you know, have some extras that I can do to fill it out if need be. So to get the garland started, you're going to take whatever string you have, and then you're going to take 2 balloons. Let's say I'll start off with pink. So I'll take pink and I'm going to tie a good knot around this. I like to double knot it for the first time. And when you're blowing your balloons up, if you've never seen me do that, you may want to go watch a previous vlog. Basically, you blow 2 balloons up at a time using my pump here. Ooh. This is my pump. I'll link it in the description box for you guys. This is a simple balloon pump. I'll give you guys a better close-up. Oh wait, plugged in a wall. But this is the balloon pump. I'll link it in the description box. Under 20 bucks. Blow up 2 at a time. Then tie those 2 balloons together, which makes these dupes, which is why you see all of my balloons in 2s. So now that I have this string on here good, it's attached to the string. I'm going to do color block. You can mix the balloons and style it however you want. I prefer color block because I think it looks a lot cleaner. It's easy to visualize what's going on. So I like to do that a lot. So I'm going to take my second set of balloons. I'm going to push it into the middle here like a cross. I'm going to pinch those together using one hand, and the other hand that has a string, I'm going to loop it over the balloon that I just put on top to secure it, and then I'm going to do a figure 8 to bring it around the existing back up to the center. And then y'all know I always do a round for good measure, and that's what's going to attach your balloons together. And I can do one more. Take this cluster, the new one, on top of the existing, bring my string up to the middle, cross it over the existing, cross it over the new, I'm sorry, then you're going to loop it around here like a figure 8 around the new one, and then around for good measure. And that's how you are attaching your garland together. So I'm just going to keep doing that Just adding in the color, mix of colors, cluster like. So I'm just over the new, around the old, back up to the center, pull it a little slight tug, and around for good measure. With this kind of string, you want to make sure that you don't pull too tight because you will cause the balloon garland to possibly burst. I mean, not to burst, the string to pop in half, and then you have to start over, or if it's long enough, you can tie it in a knot and keep going. So I just attach this blue one, take the new one over the existing. This is the reason why I like my 260s, because this string gets tangled. Oh, I haven't used this in a while. All right, so let's get this back situated here. We're gonna push this over that one. Slight tug, around for good measure. Alright y'all, so right now the garland is just leaning up there. It's doing pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in my clusters. Alright y'all, so I thought the camera was filming. It stopped apparently, but I just added in all of the 260s, and I'm going to try to hurry up and get dressed. The sun is shining over here, so I don't want it to beat up the balloons too bad. I'll probably end up putting some bags over the top of it to try to preserve it a little bit, but I'll be back once we start our tea party. Hey guys, I'm back. So we started our little tea party. Just got, oh, I'm sweating y'all, it's hot, but you do crazy things for your kids. Coda wants to say hi. So this is our little setup. I have some lace on her little picnic table, and it's so crazy because this is actually from my maternity shoot with her. I am obsessed with this teacup set that we found in Home Goods. How cute is it? Has some matching plates, matching stand. We just got some fruit, some danishes, put some little flowers on there. Dakota's drinking her sweet tea. It's actually ginger lemon turmeric tea or something, and it's heated up with some I actually boiled water for the tea bags, but she's putting ice in it, and she has some honey in there. This is how the balloons turned out. The sun hasn't beat them up too bad. It's actually not that terrible today, but the balloons are holding up good. I'm gonna leave them up all day. Majority of these, let's see, we have Sempertex, Qualitex, Gmar. So this is a good variety of different brands. We can see who holds up the longest. I want to show you guys. Dakota, stand up so they can see your little outfit. She's like, look, Ma, you are messing up, Ma. There you go. Can you give him a spin? Can you give him a spin? Ooh, girl. And then let me show you guys mine. So I found both of our outfits on Amazon. I'll link them for you guys. This dress, super cute. Open back. And it has an open back, as you guys can see. Super cute sheer sleeves. Has lining underneath this part. I'll link all this in the description box for you guys. But so me and Coda are gonna get back to enjoying this tea party. Oh, it's hot, y'all, but I'm gonna keep doing this with her till she's done, good to go, because I don't know when the next time will be that she'll be able to play with this house. And if this house gets somebody that comes to it that wants to buy it with the house, you can have it, right? So thanks so much for watching our, nobody want to look in your mouth. Come on, let's close it out. Thanks so much for watching the vlog with us today for her quick little tea party setup. Coda, come on, come over here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our quick little tea party setup. Really easy to do for your little girls or guys, whoever enjoys tea parties in your life. And we will see you guys on the next vlog. We'll be moving, so I'm going to keep you guys updated on that. Peace out. Close it out. Tap it.